Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another guess what's in the box video. It's a little tiny box as well as a small little shout out, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you guys are having a good day so far. Before we get off, like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates, or dislike button. Leave a comment. So this is just going to be another guess what's in the box video, as well as a small little shout out. I'm not going to show the address or anything like that, but this came from Jeff King. There is a phone number on here. I think it's the phone number to the UPS store. I could be wrong, but DJI sent this to me. I actually purchased it. So he was selling some items on his website, TheDenOFTools. I'll leave a card up here for the DJI channel. Go check out Jeff. He's a great guy. So I needed some stuff. This is an electronic item for a camera. That's all I'm going to say. So the box is 9 inches and 3/8 of an inch long by 4 3/8 wide by 2 3/4 deep. Just a little box, nothing huge. This is going to be an electronic item. It is for a camera. What are your guys' guesses down below? You guys might know what it is if you've seen me asking him about it in one of his live stream. I think it was last week. Today is Friday, May 28th. So it was, I'm pretty sure it was last week. It was last Sunday, whatever day that was. But, appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as an Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I also have an Ulsa Tools link that'll get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com. As well as I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, people that watch, people that click the like button, dislike button, people that use the affiliate links. You guys are awesome. I very much appreciate it. The channel is now making money, so you guys watching and subscribing, even if you don't subscribe but you guys watch, it does help a ton. So we're going to be bringing a lot of tools to the channel that the channel has already paid for, as well as we're going to start buying wood with the money from the channel. We're going to start doing demo videos, testing videos on tools, and all kinds of other things. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, I got Makita 18 volt, Makita 36 volt, Milwaukee 12 volt, Milwaukee 18 volt. We got DeWalt 7.2 volt or 8 volt. We have DeWalt 12 volt extreme, 20 volt, 60 volt, 120 volt flex volt, 60 volt flex volt, as well as Bosch. We have Makita 18 volt, 12 volt, and 40 volt also coming to the channel. I probably already said the Makita 40 volt, but we do have Makita 12 volt as well. And also Metabo 18 volt, 36 volt tools. So we got lots of tools that we can do testing on. If any of that sounds great and interesting to you guys, go ahead and smush the bell notification icon. I want to say thank you again. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!